Hi, welcome back, Forester Dragons. We're going to be starting our new project today. We're going to be making rainbow birds. See, isn't it fun? It's a three-step process. We're going to make the head the first week, the body the second week, and the legs the last week. We're going to be learning about texture, which is how something feels. We're also going to be learning about the rainbow order. The rainbow order starts with red, orange, yellow, green, blue, and violet, just like on the color wheel. An easy way to remember it is Roy G. Biv. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and violet, but we're just going to use violet. Okay, so we are going to be getting started with the head. Now let's also remember what were our primary colors: red, yellow, blue, I see you, and our secondary colors, which are made by mixing our primary colors, are purple, orange, and green, right? And we also, our lines, our vertical lines, our horizontal lines, our diagonal lines, our curve, our zigzag, and our broken. Well, let's get started. Okay, so you're going to take a paper. Here we go. And we are going to start with two big circles. Now, if it makes it easier on you to get something to trace, you can. You can get a big cup or something. I'm going to use this salt. So, because, well, I could use my cup. Maybe I had another cup. Oh, here it is. But I think it's, okay, I'm going to use this cup. So I'm going to make two big circles. And you're going to use a black marker or a black crayon to trace. And then once I've got my two big circles on my paper, I'm going to connect them there. I'm going to connect them with a big triangle in the middle. So starting kind of in the middle of the bottom of one circle, I'm going to connect to the bottom of the other circle. I'm going to connect them in the middle, right here. And then I'm going to make two little nose holes. Okay, now right now it like doesn't have a center to its eyes. Now you can see on this bird here, I gave him kind of crazy eyes. It had a smaller center than this one. I'm going to go ahead on this one and I'm going to do the two centers the same. I'm going to trace a smaller item. This is a little lotion from all the hand sanitizer. Okay, here we go. So once I finish this, there we go. See? And I can even give it one more center. I'm just going to create a black pupil in the center. That way, if I want, I can color the iris, this part, with some color. Okay, so now I need to get out my markers. Oh, one more thing I want you to do, but I only want you to do this in pencil. Right at the bottom of the page, I want you to draw a rectangle right under the triangle beak. Look, it almost looks like a little tree trunk at the bottom. Don't do anything with it, just in pencil. Okay, now I'm going to lay out my rainbow colors. Remember, Roy, red, orange, yellow, G, green, Biv, blue, indigo, violet. So I've got my rainbow order. Have them all in order so you don't get mixed up. Now, we're going to start by creating a solid line first. Let me tell, stay. Okay. So going, and I kind of, you know, it might be easier on y'all to divide it into sections. So we have how many colors? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we need 6 sections to go around our eyes and our beak. So I'm going to divide it. I'm going to have 1 section, 2 sections, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Perfect. So in that section, I'm going to start by making straight lines. I want to get them as close together as I can because I'm trying not to leave white spaces. So once I finish, you can see I had 2 little lines there. see I have another pencil line here, so I'm going to do the next color. So in rainbow order, what's my next color? Orange, right? So I'm going to make those straight lines again, going all the way down in between the eyes to where the beak is starting and coming back up. And I'm just making straight lines close together. And you can even go around the edge of the eyeball, see? Or around the edges you have your eyes and your beak when you get to it. I think I should do that with the red too. Okay, so I closed it. I don't want it closed. Now, what's next? Yellow. Yes, Miss Askew, it's yellow. So now I'm making my straight lines. I'm going to go around that edge with the yellow. And then making my straight lines. Okay, what comes after yellow? Green, yes. So then I start with the green. I'm going to go around that edge first. Okay. I'm going all the way off the paper because my eyeballs are so huge. Okay. And then blue. Let me go around the edge. Now I want to make longer hairs here because I want to reach where I drew that rectangle at the bottom. I want to kind of cover the top of it a little bit. And remember, we drew that just in pencil, right? Okay, so I've got my straight lines. Okay, and then our last one, purple, violet. Let me curve that around. Okay, look at that. Now, we did our straight lines, right? Now I want you to make some curvy, crazy hair lines. That's why I didn't close my markers, because I'm going in rainbow order. So let's start again. We've got red. So where I have the red, I'm just going to make some like crazy lines all over. Like he's got crazy hair. And I'm going all the way to the top of the page. I may even overlap some of the other colors. Now I'm going to do the orange. Crazy hair. He like needs a comb. And I'm creating texture. It looks like it's like messy, right? Like, you know, it creates that texture. Remember, texture is how something feels. So this looks like it feels fluffy and messy. Okay, so then I'm going to do my green. And then my blue. Hope y'all are having fun with this. I think he's so much fun, this bird. Okay. Isn't he so fluffy? Okay, so time to do our next step, the neck. What is the rainbow order, Miss Askew? It is red. So I want you to start where that pencil is, up under the blue a little bit, and you may have to get that blue a little thicker in order to make the neck look part of the body. So red, then what's after red? And notice that I'm just going to be making straight lines in order and a horizontal line. Orange, and then yellow, right? Green. And then blue. And I'm going back over it to get some of the white spots. Messy lines. Need some more messy on the red. Okay. Oh, and I'm going to give the eyes some color. Remember I said I wanted to do that? So I'm going to take, and maybe I'll make this eye blue. So I'm going to go around the black pupil and then around the outside edge. but I'm going to make this side purple around the black pupil and then around the outside edge. I'm also going to do the beak. I'm going to do one outside with the orange and then inside that with yellow. And then I'm just going to use the water to blend those colors like this. Okay, I hope you had fun, and I will see you next time. So tune in for next week and we'll do the body. So let me show you the head. Okay, see you next time. Bye.